Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved these jumbo knotless braids using braiding hair. So stay tuned. So anytime we're trying to go for a sleek ponytail, which is what we're doing because I'll be doing 4 ponytails, you want to make sure your hair is nice and straight. So I'm going in with my DAX and I'm rubbing it all around my hair, and I'm going in with my blow dryer to just blow it out, make sure there's no tangles, no knots, anything like that. And then I'm going to start off by doing a middle part. So I'm going to do a middle part, and then I'm going to do another part ear to ear. That way I have 4 boxes because I'll be doing 4 sections of braids. Because the sections are obviously so big because you're doing 4 squares, I decided to start my part from the middle of my head. That way I was able to feel how much hair was left at the back to do the back ponytail. So that's why you see me starting off from the middle, but then again it is still ear to ear, so you can part it whichever way you would like. So to achieve this braided ponytail style, I just wanted to go ahead and section everything, as you can see, so that way nothing is in my way. I'm just showing you guys some products I'm going to be using. I did take out some hair ties, but I will be using black rubber bands and also the blue Eco Styling gel. So here you can see me using the band, but I did remove it, and I just used the black elastic band. So for each ponytail, I used 2 small black elastic bands to put my hair up. And the reason why I didn't use the hair ties was because I thought it was too thick, so the ponytail would stick out more instead of laying down flat as if there wasn't really much hair there. So that's why I switched to the rubber band, but you can use whatever you would like. This is just the type of style I was going for. So before I apply any gel to my hair, I'm just combing out all the little hairs at the front that I want to use for my baby hairs. So you always want to make sure you do that before you apply the gel. So as you can see, I'm just going around and I'm applying the gel in sections. So by the time I applied the gel, my hair was a bit loose around the elastics. So I went ahead and added about 2 more elastics to my ponytail to make it tighter. You could just take the elastics out that were already in and reapply them, but I just decided to add them. It's your preference, but I just added them and kind of pulled my hair to make it tight. So now I'm going to be using my Wrap It Up strip, and I'm just wrapping it around my hair. That way my hair doesn't get messed up while I'm doing my braids. And it also helps to dry the hair and make it lay flat as well, so that's good. So I'll be using Expressions braiding hair today, and this is the pre-stretched braiding hair. So 3 pieces come in 1 pack. So for this first ponytail, I'll be using a whole pack. So I split it into a quarter, and this is what I'm attaching to my hair. So I like to start the ponytail off like this because I find that it's more natural. There's one end at the top, and I'm using the elastic to attach the next end to my ponytail. Then once I flip this end over, that is it. I used a small piece to wrap around my hair where the elastic is. And then as you can see, the rest of it blended with my ponytail. So all I did was split it in half, and you'll see that in just a bit. By the way, I apologize. It's not 1 pack I used for this section. It was 1 piece in the pack. So 3 come in a pack, and I used 1 piece for 3 braids. And then I had another pack that I took 1 out of for the 4th braid. So what I'm doing is I am separating pieces of hair. That way it's easier for me to attach while I go. And I like doing this. I've been doing this. It makes my life much easier. I'm going to be doing 2 braids in 1. So I split my hair in half, as you can see. I put 1 to the side, and now I'll be feeding in the braiding hair in 1 braid. And that's all I'm doing, literally feeding in the pieces and braiding it all the way down to the end. And I'm going to do the same thing with the 2nd braid. So guys, that's 1 braid, and now I'm just taking down the other piece, and I'm going to braid it the same way. So I'm doing this for all 4 sections. You just want to make sure that your pieces are already there so it's easier for you to pick up. And for the braid, I just start braiding it like a normal braid, and then I start using the extensions to feed in the braid so that way it's longer and also a bit thicker. So for all 4 sections, this is exactly what I'm doing. So I won't be talking. I'll just let you guys watch. I actually didn't even record the back because it's harder to see the back, but it's the same thing I did to the front.
I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today oh wanna odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hote pay. Oh yeah.
So guys, this is how it looks with the ponytail having 2 feed-in jumbo braids. I was loving it. So now we're gonna move on to the next side. And to make things easier, I actually measured the braiding hair to the next side. That way I could tell it's going to be the same length. So one side of the braiding hair was longer. And it made it easier for me, so when I was feeding in the braids, I just knew not to pass that end.
You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. And you brought the days to my forever. Yeah, forever, I can't put it in words. No. You brought the days to my nights. Something you do to my heart. Something you do, girl. I can't explain it. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Yeah. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. You brought the days to my nights. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Hey, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby you feel make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today oh na odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Oh my life, yeah. You brought the days to my night. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Me no look no other way. Do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You go take my breath away. Oh wow, she go make magic in the bedroom and I can't wait. Big move, in love with you forever. Yeah. No day na odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. And you brought the days to my forever.
Okay guys, I apologize for jumping straight to this part, but I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But all I did was I removed the wrap it up strip that I had around the front of my head, and I started doing my baby hairs at the front. So I showed you guys exactly what I'm using. I'm using my ebon edge control, and I'm using this edge control brush. So all I did was swoop it the way I wanted to, and voila, this is what I got. So once that was done, of course I had to go ahead and wet my ends. So I had a towel and my hot water, and I just dipped them in this jug because it was big enough. And once I dipped them, they weren't as stiff, so I just used a towel and dried it, and that was that. So the same thing I did on this side is the same thing I did on the next side. And with braids, what I do like to do once I wet them is just shake them out. It allows the water to get out of it faster. That is my personal opinion, but as you can see, I started feeling myself. So I'm going in with this olive oil sheen, and I always do that like for my finishing touch. Normally I do have a gloss braid, but I didn't have any more. So this is how the hairstyle is looking. I'm just going to take off my cape and be right back. So yes, now you can see it in the full effect. So this is how the braids looked, guys. It was super cute. This was a bit different in the sense of I've never done like 4 ponytails, but I've done like big braids before, so it still gave me like that same look that I like. But yeah, I hope you guys were able to learn something from this video. If you've ever been trying to achieve this style, here you go. I hope that this came in handy. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if this helped you. If you have any other video requests that you would like to see me achieve, make sure you leave them down below in the comments. Make sure you like this video, guys. If you've been here this long and you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I make an upload. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. So my personal page is nae.simone, and you can also follow my hair page at Pariishair, and that's Paris with 2 eyes. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching until the end. I appreciate it so much. Make sure you like with your friends and your family and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video, because I'll be uploading a hair video every single week. So I'll see you guys later.